In this video, we are going to be looking at how to install Organis. Organis is multi-vendor organic food and grocery Laravel eCommerce. To develop your multi-vendor organic food and grocery Laravel eCommerce, use the engagement link in the description to engage me to help you develop your app or your script. Also, to customize your script you have purchased, use the engagement link in the description to engage me to help you customize or install it. So now let's look at some of these features. You can see it. Multivendor organic food and grocery Laravel eCommerce. This is the home page. Shop pages, order tracking, payment gateway, WhatsApp. So after getting your script, I go straight to my cPanel. From my cPanel, I go to my file manager where I'm going to upload my script. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. So for my file manager, I go to the subdomain I'll be using for this testing purposes, which is this. For your script customization, use the engagement link in the description to engage me to help you customize your script. So next, I'm going to extract it. I've already uploaded it. Extract files. To install your script, also use the engagement link in the description to engage me to help you install your script. Also to develop your application, web application or mobile application, use the engagement link in the description to engage me to help you develop your applications. So next, I'm going to close this. I've already extracted my file. So next, let me open the extracted file. I'm going to select all, I'm moving to the which folder, move files. Next, I click on up one level. So now let me copy my site name or my domain name, paste it here, enter. Okay, this is what I get. Let me go back to my file manager. Let me go back to my cPanel. I'm going back to my cPanel. Then I will create my database first. So let me scroll down. I want to create my database, my SQL databases. So let me name my database as website, create database. I have successfully created my database. Let me click on go back. So after creating my database, next I'm going to create my database user. Then I click on create user. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. To use the support me link in the description to support me for your script customization or script installation, or to develop your application, mobile or web. Use the engagement link in the description to engage me. So I've successfully created my user for my database. So let me click on go back. So after successfully creating my database and database user, next I'm going to add my user to my database. Is it? I should make sure I select the one I just created. Is it? I click on add. Next, I give up privileges to the user. I scroll down to make changes. I have successfully added my user to my database and give up privileges, that's the permissions. So let me copy the username, copy. I go back to my file manager. Now I go to my .env. I'm going to edit my .env. Edit. So here my database name, I'm going to change it. So let me put this. Okay. That's my database name. Okay, all is well. Now I'm going to click on save changes. After this, let me close it now. Next, I will now go back to my cPanel again. I'm going back to my cPanel. I'm going to PHP my admin. I click on it. So for my PHP my admin, I go to my database. I select it. So next, I'm going to click on import because I want to import the demo database. Next, I click on choose file. So I come here, demo database. So this is my database. I select it and click on open. Next, I scroll down to import. I have successfully imported my database to my PHP my admin. So next, let me go back to my site. Let me refresh it. I have successfully uploaded or deployed my script to my cPanel. So let me close this. For your script installation or your script customization, or to develop your mobile app or web application, use the engage me link in the description to engage me for your project. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks. Bye.